What's going on, guys? Sam here, and today, well, the other day I was thinking I need a video idea. What am I going to do? And the thought came to us, let's do a shout out because they're easy to make. And so I decided to do a shout out to one of my good friends, SneezingPanda06 is their YouTube name. So yeah, I'm doing a shout out to them, and didn't want to do a boring shout out like just a normal one. So I was checking YouTube for to see if a video had gone online while I was playing Destiny, obviously. And basically, I was looking through her videos and I saw she had a lot of strange thumbnails. So I decided to make a montage with Karis's faces. So yeah, go subscribe to SneezingPanda06 and enjoy the little montage thing. Right, there won't be an outro, so that's all I've got for today, guys, and see ya.